In this video, I will show you the new updates about vehicle expenses. Click the menu. Click Vehicle Expenses. Here you can add all company expenses.
Click New Expense.
Choose the car. You will see default expense types. You can also add a new one. Write the expense name.
Click Add.
Choose the expense type you added. Select the date you paid or select how many days the car was in repair. Write the amount. Write the invoice number. Click Save. Here you can see Overview, Details by car, and Monthly Breakdown. You can hide or show statuses. You can see all expenses in the list. You can filter by category. You can view data by year. You can download as Excel. You can see which cars cost more money. You can see total expenses. This helps you make data-driven decisions on which vehicles to keep or replace. Thank you for watching.